If math homework feels impossible and you're tired of getting stuck on equations for hours, then this Cymath tutorial might completely change the way you study in 2026. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Cymath step by step to solve math problems faster, understand solutions more clearly, and make homework a lot less stressful. So first of all, Cymath is an AI-powered math-solving website and mobile app that helps students solve math problems instantly while also showing step-by-step explanations. Instead of only giving the final answer, the platform breaks the problem down into smaller steps so users can understand how the solution works. The tool supports many math topics, including algebra, calculus, logarithms, graphing, trigonometry, and equations, which makes it useful for high school and early college students. To get started, you simply open the Cymath website or app and type your math problem directly into the search box. For example, you can enter equations, fractions, algebra expressions, or calculus problems. If you're using the mobile app, you can also use the camera scanner to scan printed or handwritten math questions, which is one of the features many students really love because it saves time typing long equations manually. After entering the problem, Cymath instantly generates the answer along with detailed steps showing exactly how the solution was calculated. One of the biggest reasons students like Cymath is because the explanations are usually simple and beginner-friendly compared to traditional textbooks. Many users online say it feels like having a personal math tutor available anytime on your phone. Another feature users enjoy is the graphing support, because Cymath can generate graphs for equations and functions, helping visual learners understand concepts more easily. According to many reviews online, the clean and simple interface is another reason why the app became so popular among students who don't want complicated tools or confusing menus. A lot of students also use Cymath during exam preparation because it allows them to quickly check homework answers and understand mistakes faster. But of course, the platform is not perfect. Some users mention that the free version includes ads and limits access to certain advanced explanations unless you upgrade to the premium subscription. Others say that while Cymath is excellent for basic and intermediate math problems, some advanced calculus or higher-level questions may still require more detailed explanations from teachers or textbooks. A few reviewers also warn that students should avoid depending completely on apps like this because copying answers without understanding the steps can hurt learning over time. Overall, though, user reactions in 2026 are mostly very positive because Cymath makes math feel faster, simpler, and much less intimidating for everyday students. So my honest opinion is this: if you struggle with math homework, want quick step-by-step explanations, or simply need help understanding equations faster, Cymath is honestly one of the best AI math solver tools you can use right now, especially for beginners and students who want easier ways to practice and learn math. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite AI study tool in 2026.